Good morning, one and all. Today, we are starting our first lecture of semester first, paper number second, Physical and Inorganic Chemistry. The title of topic is S block elements, part first. As we know, the long form of the periodic table has been divided into four major blocks. These are S, P, D and F blocks. According as the differentiating electron enters the S, P, D or F subcell. These are the four blocks contains modern periodic table. Today in this lecture we are discussing about only S block elements. Before starting our unit S block elements, our first question is, what are S block elements? Explain the positions of S block elements in modern periodic table. Now, again, we are going to repeat the first question. What are S block elements? Explain the position of S block elements in the modern periodic table. Now, we are going to discuss answer about this question. First, the elements in which last means differentiating electron enters into s orbital are known as s block elements. The elements in which last means differentiating electron enters into s orbital are known as s block elements. Then, about the position of the modern periodic table. Position in modern periodic table of S block element. S block elements are placed in left hand side in modern periodic table. S block elements are placed to left hand side in modern periodic table. They are placed first and second group in the periodic table. They are placed first and second group in the periodic table. First group consists of alkali metals. First group consists of alkali metals, while second group consists of alkaline earth metals. Again, S block elements are placed to the left hand side in the modern periodic table. They are placed first and second group in the periodic table. First group consists of alkali metals and second group consists of alkaline. Now our second question is, give the electronic configuration of alkali and alkaline earth metals. Give the electronic configuration of alkali and alkaline earth metals. Now, the alkali metals have one loosely held valence electron. The alkali metals have only one loosely held valence electron. The general electronic configuration of all alkali metals is ns1. The general electron configuration of all alkali metals is NS1. They easily lose the loosely held electron and give M positive ions. They easily lose the loosely held electron and give M positive ions, thereby are the most electropositive metals. Thereby are the most electropositive metals. This alkali metal group contains lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, calcium, and francium. On the other side, the general electronic configuration of all alkaline earth metals is NS2. The general electronic configuration of all alkaline earth metals is NS2. These elements have two valence electrons. These elements have two valence electrons in the outermost S sublevel. These elements have two valence electrons in the outermost S sublevel. These alkaline earth metals are put into second group of the periodic table. This group contains Be, Mg, Ca, Sr, Ba and Ra elements. Now, our next question is, give general characteristics of S-block elements. Give general characteristics of S-block elements. Answer. General characteristics of S-block elements. First, last electron enters into S orbital. Last electron enters into S orbital. Second, their hydroxides are basic in nature. Their hydroxides are basic in nature. They are metals. They are metals. They are more reactive. They are more reactive. They have fixed valency. They have fixed valency. Predominantly from predominantly form ionic bond with oxidation number +1, that is alkali metals, and +2, that is alkaline earth metals. Predominantly form ionic bond with oxidation number 1 means alkali metals and +2 means alkaline earth metals. They have very weak tendency to form complexes. They have very weak tendency to form complex. These all are general characteristics of S-block elements.